Hey everyone. So as you know, I am absent, right? Because I'm not here and I'm talking on Edpuzzle. But I'm still here and I'm still gonna look on Dino to make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing, all right? So first off, I want to just ask, how did you feel about the quarter assessment? Good. So some people might have been upset about it, some might have been happy about it. But that assessment was a great. If you didn't finish it, you'll be able to finish it. Um, and I am just proud of you guys. I'm like super duper 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 proud for taking it. If you there's no retakes on it, um, but if you had a certain score, you get a little bit. You'll have be able to get a little higher than what your score was. All right. Now, this week we're gonna be learning about division, right? Of course, you love it. But today we're going to be thinking about our multiplication facts and division facts for division. All right. So first off, if I were to have 15 divided by 3, and I want to know what is 15 divided by 3. You think about multiplication facts and think about what times 3 equals 15. You know that 5 times 3 equals 15. So that means my answer is 5. All right, so what if I have 12 divided by 2? What multiplication fact could I have there? Good, I can have 6 times 2 equals 12. So I know my answer is 6. All right, you got to know your multiplication facts this week. All right, I have 54 divided by 9. What multiplication fact can I have to match that? Good. 6 times 9 equals 54. So my answer is 6. All right, now we got one more. 32 divided by 4. What is 32 divided by 4? Great, 8. Now, this Edpuzzle is just to make sure you know the multiplication facts. The next thing you're going to be doing is you need to make sure that after the Edpuzzle, you need to make sure you do the Nearpod lesson, all right, on division facts. So that means you're going to click here. You're going to write the answers down and submit at the end, okay? Then you're going to do a Kahoot on division facts. Make sure you click here and do your Kahoot. After you've done all that, then you play Prodigy. Letting you know now, Ms. Brown is going to be looking on Dino and seeing what you're doing. Also, if you are not um, doing any of the work, I'm going to message your parents to let them know. All this work should be finished by today. All right. All right. I miss you guys so much. Wish I can be there. Love you guys, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow.